Wi-Fi connectivity. Support remote smart app voice control in order to fulfill your different needs. Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to remotely control your automatic vacuum on your smartphone or through voice-enabled devices such as Alexa or Google Assistant. You can also set schedules for this smart robotic vacuum to wake up and start a cleaning job, so that it can start working while you're out of the house. Longer cleaning time? A longer battery life or even more cleaning. This smart robot vacuum cleaner keeps 120 minutes working time to clean anywhere around your house. Support auto return charging. This automatic self-charging robotic vacuum will return to its charging station automatically before it runs out of power or after finishing its cleaning job. Larger dustbin. 900 ml larger capacity dustbin design supports longer cleaning sessions, a high-efficiency air filtration system and prevents debris spillage when cleaning the dustbin. The Paxcess vacuum robot will keep the environment cleaner, diminishing allergy symptoms for allergy sufferers.